This video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Vgkf. This particular ransomware belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. Vgkf ransomware encrypts the files and adds the special extension called Vgkf. This is why the ransomware is called like that. Then the ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for the file restoration, which is 980 American dollars. But in advance, I would like to tell you that you should never pay that ransom, because this does not give any guarantee that your files would be recovered. The video will demonstrate to you how exactly the ransomware affects the files. So before the ransomware attack, people are able to open the files without problems. But it might happen that because of certain vulnerabilities in the system, the ransomware may some way or another penetrate into the computer. People might suddenly realize that something bad has happened with their data, especially after they restart their computer or sign out and sign in again. They notice that something really bad has happened and they cannot access their files. So the ransomware adds this special Vgkf extension to the files. Customers are no longer able to use the files. So this is the result of the Vgkf ransomware attack. You can clearly see that the Vgkf extension has been added to the files. Customers are no longer able to open the files, and the ransomware tells its victims to pay the ransom in order to restore the files. However, as I have said, paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files would be recovered. What you could do is to check the task manager and the tasks of suspicious processes running in the background. This will help you at least save some of your important files from being encrypted by this particular ransomware. To remove the ransomware, I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware tool, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner using this green download Combo Cleaner button. Install the application, run the installer, wait until it gets successfully installed. So complete the installation process and then start the program. The program is initially in the trial mode, but it has certain free features that will help you to optimize your computer even in the trial mode. First of all, the program will update its anti-malware database, and this is for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning your computer. Pay attention to some excellent features in Combo Cleaner, which are the part of the premium license. You may go to Settings, click on the anti-ransomware feature. This feature allows you to add several folders on your Windows computer that will be protected against all other possible ransomware attacks. So in other words, your files will always be secure and safe with this feature, anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license of Combo Cleaner. So after the scanning by Combo Cleaner is completed, the program will give you the summary of threats. You will be able to know the exact location of each specific threat. You'll be able to remove these threats either manually by going to these locations, or consider upgrading to the premium version to remove the detected malware automatically, and this is the best way to keep your files safe and secure from any ransomware attacks.